So we have reached Port Said, which is the gateway to the Suez Canal, and you kind of have to wait until your turn. So we've got like loads of ships out docked. We are now stood still. I feel like it's a bit like air traffic control. You're waiting on the tarmac until you can take off. So that is what we are currently doing. So there's not really much to see. Like, I was quite excited, but all it is like lights and other ships. However, so tomorrow it's our turn to go anytime from 2 a.m. till 9 a.m. For now, I am just going to get into my cozy clothes and put my TV on, but I definitely will show you some of the Suez Canal tomorrow. Okay, see you then. A little update. It is now 8:52 in the morning, but at 8:30 this morning, so half an hour before the last point of our window to go down the Suez Canal, we started going. I don't know how long it takes for us to actually get there, but I'm going to go to the office quickly, try and smash out some work, because I do want to see us like at the entrance of the Suez Canal. Hopefully I'll manage to catch it with you guys. Good morning from the Suez Canal.
Now today is an integral and significant part of our crossing as we sail from the Eastern Mediterranean to the Red Sea, and very shortly we'll be navigating through the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal is an artificial riverbed located in Egypt, west of the Sinai Peninsula, between Port Said on the Mediterranean Sea and the Suez on the Red Sea. This allows direct navigation from the Mediterranean to the Indian Ocean without the need to sail around Africa on the Atlantic. The canal extends from the northern terminus at Port Said to the southern terminus at Port Tufik in Suez. The Suez Canal is 193.3 kilometers long, or 120.11 miles. Building of the canal started in 1859 by the Suez Canal Company, officially opening on the 17th of November 1869. Within 2022, more than 23,000 vessels traveled the canal at an average of 63 per day. On the 23rd of March 2021, the Suez Canal was blocked in both directions by the ultra-large Ever Given. The cargo ship was en route from Malaysia to the Netherlands when it ran aground after a strong wind blew the ship off course. Upon running aground, the ship turned sideways and completely blocked the canal.
We are here, and we've got all of this to do. And how long does it take? Like 10, 12 hours?
We're gonna get off there.
Yeah, okay, perfect. And then we'll be in the Gulf of Suez.
Oh, but that is all of
It's
that.
very close to Sham, isn't it?
Yeah. So, right there we're gonna do.
So we come out here, dock there at 2 a.m. tonight.
Yeah.
For a couple of days, and then we go off to Sham. There we go. That's our little transit. It's my camera. Yeah, it's an inbuilt gimbal, but it's DJI Pocket. But it's not a GoPro, so you can't attach it to your head. Wow, we are just eating lunch, me and Clau, and we've got these views. It's amazing. So this is the Asia side. Wow, it's such a different world, isn't it?
Yes, exactly.
Just having a coffee. The Suez views. Cheers. We don't know what cheers is in Egyptian.
Oh, we have to
find out. Aren't we lucky?
So happy we're here.
Wow.
I love Egypt.
Which side? This side is Asia, that side is Africa. And this is the bridge that joins the two continents. And what's the bridge called?
Old Shark something.
I will write the bridge name just here.
Memories in Suez Canal and the bridge. No, we don't have the name, but we're gonna find out.
Where do you think we're going?
That's Saf.
Going Saf. Which way Saf?
Saf.
Is that
Following
way?
that one.
Are
We're
we?
gonna follow that ship.
We're going that way. Wow. So cool.
Massive.
That's so cool. Wow. That's such a fun idea, isn't it? Wow. This is so amazing. Oh look, we're turning already. It is like just desert. That scared me so much. What was that for? Oh, it's because those guys, because they're literally in the way. Oh. I mean, you wouldn't really just stay there, would you, with a massive ships coming towards you? Going for his life now. There's quite a few little boats that aren't moving, so they've had to do the ship's horn. Okay, this is so cool. I'm literally, like, this is my bed. This is Egypt. This is the Suez Canal. I can see the Suez Canal from my bed. Oh my goodness. That is so cool.
And now some fun facts for you. First of all, did you know that the Statue of Liberty was originally meant to guard the Suez Canal? The sculpture would have been taken the form of an Egyptian woman who embodied Egypt carrying the light to Asia. However, believe it or not, it was actually too expensive to erect and instead ended up finding its home over in New York. And along the way, during our transit, there are various landmarks that you'll be able to spot. 45 miles into the journey, you will see the Welcome to Egypt on Authority Monument. The Alpha Down Rail Bridge, which is now closed, but is still the largest expansion bridge. It's been destroyed 5 times over the years. And after the bridge, the canal will also split into the south and the northbound traffic. The south being the original, and the north, which did open in 2016. At the end of the canal at Port Suez, there is a mosque near the port with this huge dome roof, and it does mark that we have finally reached the Red Sea, so make sure you do watch out for that. I hope you do enjoy your transit today through the Suez Canal, but thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day.
Just do my work with these views. Wow. So cool. Guys, it's got even better. The sun is setting. Wow, this is the view from my porthole. So I'm gonna go up onto top deck to actually watch an Egyptian sunset. Wow, 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 wow. Good morning everybody. We are at sea today, so for the day I'm just going to be going to the office. I'll then go up to lunch on top deck with my friends when they've got their lunch break, because my work is a bit more flexible than theirs. The sun is just trying to peek through the clouds over there. I'm gonna just make myself a little coffee. I'll put you there actually and make it with you. You can see what I get up to. I have got a kettle in my cabin. The person before me did have it, so I didn't bring it on myself. So I'm making the most of it. I take my little Barcelona mug. I'll take that into the office and be there for the next few hours until lunch, and then come back until I finish my work for the day, and then I'll come back here and edit a video for my channel. I'm gonna go to the office, so I will check in with you maybe later. Hello everybody, just a little check-in. I've literally been in the office all day, and I was going to do some video editing this evening, but honestly, because I've just been looking at the computer screen, I've given myself a break. I went to get some snacks from the shops on board. They sell some very expensive chocolate, but you know, needs must. And instead I'm looking at a screen watching other people's YouTube. So I'm just watching Lydia Millen. This is my little setup. Might not look that bougie to you, but honestly it is. So I just bought this from, it looks really bougie. I bought this from the Carrefour in Palma, and then I bought that pillow from Cartagena when we were in Wet Dock, and then I'm just watching my little laptop. I've got my tea. It's 26 degrees tomorrow, however, because it is winter right now in England, I'm watching everyone's content from England, so I'm feeling very cozy. I'm actually feeling like it is winter, and I've got my fairy lights on, but I actually switch this on to show you the beauties, one of the beauties of working on a cruise ship. So my cabin steward just knocked on my door and gave me all my dry cleaning. So I actually, even though this is my home right now, which is not bougie at all. This is a little bit of bouginess that we get. I get my cabin cleaned twice a week, and when they come in to clean, you just leave your uniform on the side and they'll go and get it washed and ironed for you and then drop it off back at your cabin. So it just feels quite luxurious, so I thought I'd share it with you. Okay, that is all. I will put my clothes away and then I'm going to get back to my YouTube watching. I'm just having a little wintry cozy moment, which probably will seem quite random in this video because tomorrow, fingers crossed, it's going to be very hot, but yeah, I'm feeling wintry and I love it. Okay, bye. Thank you. Wonderful housekeeping. Okay, I'm actually going to make a cup of tea. So I always use bottled water. I didn't actually last contract, I just used my tap water, and I'm getting through so many bottles because of it, which is really, really, really bad for plastic consumption. The water from our taps, I don't know, I just don't trust it. So this is how I do it. Cheers!